Hi, my name is Ricardo Ferraz, and I'm here to present PEPILSKIN, a product to heal and wound care. In 2024, there were almost 600 million people with diabetes. This number will increase, and in 2050, it's expected to be more than 800 million people. The problem with diabetes is not just the problem with sugar in the blood. The problem can lead to severe consequences. In fact, every 20 seconds, someone will lose a leg due to the problem of diabetes. This is in fact because the sugar in the blood causes that the blood does not reach the extremities. So the people with a wound will have a slow healing process, and this wound will be prone to infection. And the infection has to be, then the solution has to be the amputation, and people amputated have, most of them, die in 5 years. So what is needed? What is needed is a product that is effective antimicrobial, has no antimicrobial resistance, and has the capacity to regenerate the tissues, and has the capacity to adapt to the tissue and the wound. So let's try to put these things together. We cannot use an antibiotic because of the problem with the antibiotic resistance. We cannot only use skin regeneration properties products. So we try to use a natural peptide with regenerated proteins and click that with a non-toxic ionic liquid with antimicrobial properties and unlike to induce resistance. So we found it worked. We found a product that is a hydrogel and is ideal for topical application with a dual action and can reach the deeper tissues and wound irregularities. Our findings show that our product has antimicrobial activity against potent multi-drug resistant bacteria. Here we can see our product killing by bursting the cell walls of Staphylococcus aureus, one of the most prevalent bacteria in diabetic foot ulcers, but it's not working only in bacteria, it has also activity against fungus, like Candida, another species that can find in the ulcers of diabetic patients. So you have solved the problem of antimicrobial activity. Let's see how it works in the wound regeneration. We tested in diabetic mice, and after 10 days, the wound was completely closed. So our product was antimicrobial activity and also has the capacity to heal the wound. We also tried to show that our product could prevent the infection by showing that the treated wound has no bacteria formed, so no colonies formed. When we have a wound treated with bacteria, with our product, we will not find any bacteria. If you have a wound with no treatment, we had found a lot of bacteria. So we have made a patent application of this product in 5 different regions, and not for diabetic foot ulcers. We have patented this for other skin disorders. We have been talking with stakeholders like Paul, that is a nurse specialized in wound management. He's a member of the European Wound Management Association, and he told us that what is needed is a multimodal intervention like our product is, so with a dual action. So we have been looking for the market, and in the market we only found a product that has antimicrobial action and skin regeneration properties. The advantage of our product is our product is a gel, so we can adapt to the skin irregularities and can go deeper in the wound. Our business model will be outsourcing the production, doing the research and development in the house, and the sales and also the customer relation management. And to reach the hospital and wound care facility, we have used trustful distributors. We have an option of license or acquisition deals, depending on the offer that we can have. And our roadmap is here. In the moment, we have already tested in human skin to see if our product has irritation to our skin, and have been working on the formulation. We are hoping to enter the market in 2033. And just to see the size of the market, in the moment, the size of the market is around $4 billion between Europe and the US, and this number will increase until 2033, the time that we are entering the market. After 5 years enter the market, we are expecting to reach 10% of this market. The team that is working on this is a multidisciplinary team with expertise in ionic liquids and peptides and medicinal chemistry. We also have a medical doctor to help us in the clinical transition, and also a business management and technology transfer expertise. So during this speech, 21 people could have lost a limb. With PEPILSKIN, we are hoping to avoid that. PEPILSKIN is a game changer, and we are expecting to help the diabetic patients to walk the extra mile. So thank you for your attention.